brother. This is Shay. So the question that I'm going to be answering today is on the Reddit Erectile Dysfunction forum. And here's the question. So it's basically a guy that is experiencing erection problems, getting hard when he's about to have sex with his girlfriend. And he's not sure why, because it's only when he's about to have sex. And before the moment, so during foreplay, for example, he's able to have an erection, no problem. So just confused around why this is. So I'm going to answer this question today and speak about what may be going on here. And if you're experiencing a similar thing as well, then this is going to be an important video for you also, because the same thing applies. So the other thing I'll say is there is a medical, the guy said that he's had an operation. So of course, if there's anything medical like this that's happened, definitely go and speak to the doctor to make sure that's not related. So I'm just going to put that to a side for a moment and just talk about erection challenges when we go to have sex, because I know this affects many guys that I speak with. So the things that I would say, first of all, to ask here is some of the questions to start asking yourself to know what's going on. First of all, what are the types of thoughts that are going on in your mind? So if you're finding you're fine getting an erection before, so during foreplay, no challenges there. And then when you go to have sex or you go to reach for the condom, something like that, you have these intrusive thoughts start coming in around, will I be able to stay hard? What if I can't get hard? What if I can't do this? I know that I can't do this. Will it work? Won't it work? These kinds of thoughts. That's a signal that it's more definitely something psychological going on, but it's more related to performance anxiety, which is, of course, what we talk about most days here in the videos. So rather than any kind of medical issues going on, if it's these kind of thoughts that's happening in the mind, then to me, it shows that it's more of a relation to performance anxiety. What's another thing to check? Well, another thing to check is if erection qualities are fine during solo time. So when you're alone or perhaps watching porn or whatever it may be, that there's no challenge there with erection problems. And again, that would be another sign then that it's to do with performance anxiety. The fear of, in the moment, actually being with somebody. What if I can't do this? What if it doesn't stay hard? Now, there's different things that lead to this. So, for example, lifestyle can play a part, porn can play a part, drinking can play a part, or just things that we have, stories that we've built up in our mind over time. So there's many different things that can play a part of it. In my experience, it's less so about trying to fixate on why is this happened to me. It's important, but it's not the thing that helps us get it sorted. All right. And that's the most important thing, is being able to have great sex again. You deserve to have that. So if you are experiencing anything that I've gone through today in terms of you can relate to it, you can relate to either what this guy is talking about or something that I've shared, then you will see a circle that will come up on the screen in a second, which is subscribe, so that you can subscribe to this channel, because each day I will, most days, like four days a week, something like that, I will share a video about this topic, about performance anxiety, about erection problems, so that you can get the tools to avoid a permanent erection problem and get this sorted. So if this has been useful, then click on that circle button, and that will make sure that you get an update with the newest videos that come up, so that you can get your hands on those tools straight away.